Okay, we're out here on the ranch with Faith, and she's going to tell us what we're going to do this evening. We got off work, and out here on the ranch, what are we going to do?
We're gonna hit up the cows and we're gonna make some cows some stops, and then we're gonna make a fence for my horses. Got this new vet gun, and we're gonna use it on the cows today.
Alrighty, we're going to see how it works. This here is a vet gun, like a paintball gun. It's used to administer fly spray. So we get rid of the flies on the cows. We got them rounded up in the pen this evening. Hopefully be able to work them, get them flies off of them, get them back on their way. They're ready to roll. Alrighty, so in the paintball gun, we're going to put these AIML capsules. This should last them about 30 days. Keep the flies off the cows out here in Southwest Florida.
Gave her some medicine.